Let's demonstrate the sale of $6,000 on February 17 and the receipt of the $6,000. So the very first thing we will do is go to the sales module, and in the sales module we make the sale to Clinic Central for the total amount of $6,000. The journal entry whenever we make a sale, and which is pay later, would be to debit the accounts receivable and credit sales of $6,000. We will now post this amount or this journal entry, and instantaneously or within the same time frame, we will now apply the $6,000 deposit. And how we do that? Very easy. We simply go to Clinic Central. Remember, we had prepared the invoice for $6,000. Well, here we go. And at the same time, we had received the $6,000 payment. If you notice, the accounts receivable and the offset of the $6,000 that we had received in advance, when we go to our journal entry says debit prepaid, reduces the liability, and credit accounts receivable of $6,000. This entry is then posted. And what is the effect of this? If we go to our reports, if we go to our balance sheet, you will note that in the current liability section, the prepaid deposit is gone. The full amount has been paid. And in our accounts receivable of $7,000, it remained the same because we did an invoice of $6,000, and let's look at it. We did an invoice of $6,000 and we applied the payment of $6,000, so basically there was no effect, no change. Originally, we still have $7,000 to receive from prior customers. Who are those prior customers? We will go to reports, we'll go to our receivables, our customer aged, and the $7,000 are these customers that have not paid us. We have a few customers that have not paid us, for example, Bel Air and Daycare. We'll see what happens in the month of March. Thank you.